Samsung Galaxy M10 is the first Samsung phone to feature the Infinity V display. The phone is available in two color options, charcoal black and ocean blue. Choose from two memory variants, 2GB RAM plus 16GB internal memory or 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory. Memory is expandable up to 512GB with dedicated slot. The Samsung Galaxy M10 is a dual SIM phone, both SIM slots supporting 4G Volt. The 6.22-inch HD Plus Infinity V screen with a water drop notch provides an immersive experience. The 7.7mm slim design makes it lightweight and easy to hold. Unlock the phone using fast facial recognition. The phone features an ultra-wide-angle 13-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual rear camera. The f1.9 aperture on the 13-megapixel camera allows for great low-light photography. You can also take great selfies and portrait shots with a 5-megapixel live focus front camera with in-display flash. The Android Oreo 8.1 based Samsung Experience 9.5 operating system is optimized for the Samsung M series for smooth and fast operation. The Samsung Exynos 7870 octa-core processor provides a good balance between performance and power efficiency. The Samsung M10 is Widevine L1 certified for a good HD streaming experience. The phone is powered by a 3400 mAh battery. The box includes handset, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin and user manual. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange. The Oppo A7 has a 6.2-inch HD Plus screen with a water drop notch design for an immersive viewing experience. The phone is available in two color options, glazed blue and glaring gold. This phone has two memory variants, 3GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory. You get two SIM slots, both of which support 4G Volt capability. The 6.2-inch capacitive touchscreen comes with anti-reflective coating to increase the brightness outdoors and Corning glass for resistance to scratches. The phone features a 13+2-megapixel dual rear camera with AI beauty technology and offers portraits with bokeh mode. The 16-megapixel front camera comes with HDR mode, wide angle and large aperture for clear pictures. For fun, you could also use the AR stickers in your pictures. The phone runs on Android Oreo 8.1 based ColorOS 5.2. It has a Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, which makes it suitable for multitasking, and the Adreno 506 graphics processor also enhances the gaming experience. This phone is powered by a 4230 mAh battery. The box includes a USB adapter, micro USB cable, SIM ejector tool, pre-applied screen protector and a free back cover. The Oppo A7 is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
The Redmi 7 features a large 6.26-inch HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 providing protection against scratches and accidental drops. Choose from three colors, Lunar Red, Eclipse Black and Comet Blue. The phone is available in two memory variants, 2GB and 3GB RAM. Internal memory of 32GB is expandable up to 512GB with a dedicated microSD slot. The Redmi 7 is a dual SIM phone with dual standby. The 6.26-inch HD Plus dot-notch display has a bezel-less look and offers an immersive viewing experience. The body has a sleek, curved back cover with unique Aura Smoke design. Unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor placed at the back or with AI Face Unlock. The 12-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera allows you to capture shots with great detail even in low light conditions. Integrated with AI scene detection and AI portrait mode, the phone provides real-time photo optimization and clear silhouettes, recognizing up to 33 scenes. The 8-megapixel in-screen AI front camera comes with AI Beauty 4.0, accurately recognizes facial features and allows you to click clear selfies with features such as background blurring. Control the camera using palm gestures. The phone runs on Android Pie. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor featuring the Kryo 250 CPU provides for smooth multitasking and gaming. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery which can last up to 2 days. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, back cover, eject tool, user guide and warranty card. The Redmi 7 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page. The Honor HC has a 6.26-inch HD Plus screen and has a unique cat's eye design, created utilizing 3D printing and nano-level patterns. Choose between two colors, black and blue. Choose between two memory options, 4GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory or 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory. You can expand it up to 256GB with a dedicated microSD SIM slot. Both the dual SIM slots support 4G VoLTE. The 6.26-inch full-view display has a 19:9 aspect ratio for easy usage and a certified eye care mode to protect from harmful radiation. The smarter face unlock works even well in low light with the LCD light compensation feature. You also get the fingerprint sensor to unlock. The phone comes with a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual-lens AI rear camera that recognizes 500 scenarios to adjust camera settings automatically for a good picture. The f1.8 aperture helps with good low-light photography. The 8-megapixel front camera comes with soft flash. This is the first phone to have the Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor, designed for smooth performance and extended battery life. It runs EMUI 8.2 operating system on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. The phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery which can last up to 2 days. The phone comes with a charger, screen protector and silicone case. Check out the product page for details on EMI options and exchange.
Doesn't it feel great to get noticed? To have in your hands the power of flawless design, the power of attraction. It's hard to look away from a sight so stunning. 32 megapixels of unbeatable clarity and enough room for everyone. So make the most of every moment, even in the dark. Whatever makes you tick, you can now do it all smoothly with the latest tech at your fingertips. And do it for as long as you want, all day and all night long. Because the fun doesn't stop for anyone. And of course, the party is real only when shared. So take a good look. Take in the whole picture. What's holding you back? Reach out for the smartphone experience you've always wanted. And get ready to get noticed. The all-new Redmi Y3.
Xiaomi.